Yung rate ngayon is 5.65%. Yung rate na offer ng kabilang bangko is 5.56%. Need mo bang mag-refinance? Part 1. Is it worth refinancing your loan for a 0.09% rate difference? Dito sa Maverick Finance, we do a home loan rate review of all our clients between mga 6 months to 12 months just to make sure na very competitive ang mga interest rates nila. A client came back to us saying na, Miss Maria, pakireview niyo naman po yung home loan namin. The loan amount was 776,000. Tapos yung rate nila with the bank that they're on is 5.65%. Now, what we do is we request pricing from different banks. Now, ano ibig sabihin ng pricing? We ask them, ito yung home loan amount, ito yung LVR, makakapagbigay po kayo ng magandang rate sa aming kliyente. One bank came back to us with a rate of 5.56%. So, there's a 0.09% rate difference. Ang tanong ngayon, sulit bang ilipat namin yung kliyente namin from that existing bank to the new bank with that 0.09% difference? In my next video, ang i-discuss namin is magkano ang matitipid ng kliyente every month doon sa bagong bangko if they move to another bank.